Hello, my dear friends and my dear students. I came here to introduce Unit 4 matrices before myself, Tirunagaram Manohar, Department of Mathematics, Tumkur University, Karnataka. Now, I want to introduce fourth unit matrices under BSc of Tumkur University. Under the heading of matrices, already I did part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5. Now, I want to came here to introduce under matrices heading part 5. So, my dear friends, if you not subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagaram Manohar and like this video and share to your friends as well as write your comment on my comment box. Thank you. My dear friends, under this part 6 already I did some problems on trivial, non-trivial, trivial solutions. Now some more worked problems on this non-linear system of non-linear equations. So under this one, find the value of lambda for which the system has non-trivial solution. That is, the system is given as like this: 7x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 0, comma, x plus 2y plus lambda z is equal to 0, comma, x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. So that given system I wrote like this. So for this given system, we want to write, this is a coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix is A. Coefficient matrix we want to write. Next, this A is called the coefficient matrix. So see here, x coefficient is 7 and y coefficient is 4 and z coefficient is 3 in the first equation. Likewise, second equation, x coefficient is 1 and y coefficient is 2 and z coefficient is lambda. In third equation, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 3, z coefficient is 2. So this is the coefficient matrix. Now we want to find the whether it is a trivial solution or non-trivial solution. For this purpose, we want to find a rank of this matrix. Okay. Before that, what do you want to find? Here lambda value we want to find. Lambda value we want to find. So for this purpose, non-trivial solution is given. The which system has a non-trivial solution? Then you have to find lambda. So when the system is non-trivial becomes, if the given system has non-trivial solution means if determinant of A is equal to 0. If determinant of A is equal to 0, then you say that the given system is a non-trivial solution. So that's why you must find the determinant of the given coefficient matrix. So that is determinant of 7, 4, 3, 1, 2 lambda, 1, 3, 2 is equal to 0. By expanding along with R1 row, I get this lambda is equal to 23 by 7. Okay, my friends, I hope you all understood this one. So next question, see here, this one also I kept here. Same question, you follow this. This is given system as non-trivial solution. Then we have a quadratic equation will come in lambda. So for that quadratic equation, we will find lambda is equal to 1 and minus 9. Okay, I hope you all understood this problem. My dear friends, I gave one homework problem. You please do it, okay, without missing. Okay, I will move on to the next model, that is find the non-trivial solution of the following system: x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0, comma, 2x minus y plus 4z is equal to 0 and x minus 11y plus 14z is equal to 0. This is the given system is given. For the given system, you have to write, what do you want to show this one? Find the non-trivial solution we want to find. Non-trivial solution we want to find. So for that purpose, we want to write a coefficient matrix as x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 3, z coefficient is minus 2 in the first equation. Likewise, in the second equation, x equation is 2, y equation is minus 1, z equation is 4. Similarly, in the third equation, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is minus 11, Z coefficient is my 14. So that's why we want to find rank of this matrix for the trivial and non-trivial solution. So that's why below leading element we want to make it 0. So that's why leading element already 1 is there. So below leading element of this one we want to make it 0. So that's why this 2 is under second row. So that's why we must operate second row as R2 dash implies R2 minus 2 R1. Similarly, we want to make it this element is 0. So that's why this element under the R3. So that's why we must operate R3. So R3 dash is equal to R3 minus R1. So see here, my friends, A is similar to first row, right, as it is 1, 3 minus 2. First row 1, 3 minus 2, right, as it is. Second row R2 dash implies R2 minus 2 R1. R2 minus 2 R1. R2 first element is what? 2 minus 2 into R1 element is 1. So that is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 I wrote here. Again R2 element is what? Minus 1 is there. So already minus 2 into R1 element 3. So my friends, minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. My minus 7 I wrote here. Again R2 element is what? 4. 4 minus 2 into R1 element is minus 2. So 4 minus into minus plus 4, 8. That 8 I wrote here. Again, so similarly R3 dash implies R3 minus R1. That is 1 minus 1, 0 I kept here. Minus 11 minus 3 minus 14. 14 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 14 plus 2, 16 I wrote here. 16. Okay, 16 I wrote here. Again, what do you want? This element we want to make it 0. So that's why. So R3 dash implies R3 minus 2 R2. R3 dash implies R3 minus 2 R2. So R1 R2, right, as it is. Next R3, 0 minus 0. 0 minus 14 minus 2 into minus 7 plus 14. So minus 14 plus 14 becomes 0. 0 right here. Again 16 minus 8. 16 minus 2 into 8. 16 minus 16, that 0 will come. See here, how many non-zero rows are there? 2 non-zero rows is there. So leading element below all are 0. So that's why up to here we do it. So this is a echelon form. This is echelon form. So my dear friends, how many non-zero rows are there here? 2 non-zero rows. So that's why here rank of A is equal to 2. So which is less than or equals to unknowns. Unknowns means x, y, z are 3. Variables are unknowns. So here 3 unknowns are there. So 2 is less than that number 3. So this system has non-trivial solution, and the system is equivalent system is here E 1x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0. Again minus 7y plus 8z is equal to 0. See here 7y is equal to 8z, y is equal to 8 by 7 z. Here put this z is equal to k, then y is equal to 8 by 7 into k. Again by putting x and y, z and y values in the equation, x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0, we'll get x right as it is, y 3 into y value 8 by 7 k minus 2 into k value, z value k I wrote here. X is equal to minus 2 becomes plus 2, this plus becomes minus 3 8 are 24 by 7k. So that implies by taking LCM 7 2s are 14 minus 14k minus 24k, 14k minus 24k minus 10k. So my friends, the solution is x is equal to minus 10 by 7k, y is equal to 8 by 7k, and z is equal to k. This is the solution of the given system. Okay, I hope you all understood. So I will move on to the next question. See here. Find the non-trivial solution of the following system. This system as like this. 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 0, x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 0. This is also 0. So this answer I kept here, you will do it. Okay, this one also I kept here, you all do it. Third one, see here, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0, y plus 5z is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 0, 2x plus 3z is equal to 0. 4 equations are there. So that's why here we want to do it yourself only. Rank of A, answer, rank of A is equal to 3 will come, that is number of unknowns, equal exactly number of unknowns, that is 3. So that's why the system has a trivial solution. So the trivial solution x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Like this, solve this trivial and non-trivial solutions. Now the problems if you clear, I will move on to the next topic, that is problems are consistent and inconsistent. This is very, very important and interesting one. See here, my friends. Verify system of equation for consistent and solve. System of equations consistent and solve. There are two questions are there. First, whether it is consistent or non-consistent, we want to check. Again solve that system. Given system here like this, x plus y plus z is equal to 4, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1, x minus y plus 2z is equal to 2. This is a given system. So, using this given system, we have to write coefficient matrix and variable matrix. This is constant matrix. This is a coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix. This is a variable matrix. Variable matrix, and this is constant matrix. This is constant matrix. Like this, A coefficient matrix. Here all coefficients, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1, z coefficient is 1 in the first equation. Similarly, in the second equation, x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is 1, z coefficient is minus 1. Similarly, in the third equation, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is minus 1, z coefficient is 2. So, variable matrix x, y, z, column wise you have to write, and constant matrix 4, 1, 2, column wise you have to write. So, my dear friends, we want to find whether the given system is consistent or not consistent. For this purpose, we want to write augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. Augmented matrix means the combine of the coefficient matrix and constant matrix. Combine of coefficient matrix and constant matrix, that is A is to B. So A matrix, right, as it is to B matrix, constant matrix. So we want to make it this elementary operation. So that's why we want under the leading element we want to make it 0. So that's why this element we want to make it 0, as well as this elements also we want to make it 0. So that's why this element under second row, so that's why R2 dash we want to make it R2 operation. R2 dash implies R2 minus 2R1. Again R3 dash implies R3 minus R1 we want to make it. So my dear friends, see here R1 in mind we have to multiply with 2 and subtract from R2. So that's why 2 minus 2, 0. R1 write as it is. Second row, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 I kept here. Again, 1 minus 2, minus 1 I kept here. Again, minus 1, minus 2. 1 minus 1, minus 2. Almost minus 3 I kept here. Again, 1 minus 8. Why? Because by multiplying 4, 8 will come. 1 minus 8, minus 7. See here, I wrote here. That is the second row operation. Similarly, third row operation, 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, I wrote here. Again, 2 minus 1, 1, I wrote here. Again, 2 minus 4, minus 2, this one. Again, we want to make it this element 0. So, my dear friends, first row and second row, write as it is. This one, we want to make it 0. So, that's why R3 dash implies R3 minus 2R2. So, see here, R3, I want to change. R3 dash implies R3 minus 2R2. See here, R3 first element is what? 0 minus 2 into R2 element 0. So 0 minus 0, 0 will come 0. I kept here. Again, R3 element minus 2 into already minus 2 is there into R2 element minus 1. So my dear friends, minus 2 here, right here, minus into minus plus 2 into 1, 2. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. 0 I kept here. Again, 1 1 right here minus 2 into R2 element minus 3. So 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 I wrote here. Again R3 element is what? Minus 2. Already minus 2 is there under formula. Minus 2 into R2 element is minus 7. So that's why minus 2, this minus into minus plus, minus 2 plus 14. So minus 2 plus 14 how much? 12. 12 I wrote here. So see here, leading element, below leading element all 0. So my dear friends, see here, from here to here, A matrix. So order of this A matrix how much? How many non-zero rows are there? 1, 2, 3 non-zero rows. So that's why order of A is equal to 3, as well as order of augmented matrix. Here also 3 non-zero rows. So that's why here also augmented rank of augmented matrix also 3. So that's why rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix, that is equal to 3. So my dear friends, here rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix. So that's why the given system is consistent. So consistent means rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix, and hence which has a solution, the solution is equivalent to the system is Ax is equal to B. Already A here is there 1 1 1, 0 minus 1 minus 3, 0 0 7 0. That one I wrote here. Variable matrix X means variable matrix I wrote here. A value I wrote here, and this constant matrix I wrote here. So by multiplying X 1 into X 1 into Y plus 1 into Z is equal to 4. So again minus 1 0 into X 0 minus 1 into Y minus 3 into Z minus 3Z is equal to minus 7. So that implies, and 0 into X 0, 0 into Y 0 plus 7 into Z, 7Z is equal to 12. 7Z is equal to 12. So Z is equal to 12 by 7. So this Z is equal to 12 by 7, substitute in this equation. There is minus Y is equal to minus 7, that minus 3Z I kept here plus 3Z. So minus 7, right, as it is 3 into Z value how much? 12 by 7 I wrote here. LCM 7 7 are 49 with minus plus 12 3 are 36. Minus 49 plus 36 is equal to minus 13 by 7. Minus 13 by 7. This is the Y value, minus 13 by 7. And we substitute this one, minus Y value minus 13 by 7. Y value minus 13 by 7. Minus 13 by 7 plus 12 by 7 is equal to 4. So X is equal to 4 minus, this is wrong, 4 minus minus 1 by 7, minus 1 by 7, this is 1 by 7, minus 1 by 7. So my dear friends, 7 4 is 28 minus 1, 27 by 7. This is answer, 27 by 7. Observe carefully. This is answer, X value 27 by 7. So my dear friends, I hope you all understood this problem. I hope you all understood this problem. If you like this video, and share to your friends, as well as write your comments on my comment box. My dear friends, I will upload next video on eigenvalues and as well as Cayley-Hamilton theorem. I hope you all understood. If you like this video, share to your friends, as well as if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagara Manohar, as I told previous. So thank you very much. Thank you one and all.